Water heaters are a common and essential appliance found in many homes and buildings. In this video, we will delve into the basics of how a water heater works, providing a clear understanding of its inner workings. There are various types of water heaters available, including conventional storage tank heaters, tankless heaters, and heat pump water heaters. Each type operates differently, so let's explore them one by one. Conventional storage tank water heaters have a large tank where water is heated and stored for later use. When you turn on the hot water tap, cold water enters the tank, which is then heated by a gas burner or electric heating element. The heated water is then sent to the desired faucet or appliance. Tankless water heaters, also known as demand type or instantaneous water heaters, heat water directly without the need for a storage tank. When you turn on the hot water tap, cold water passes through a powerful heat exchanger, which rapidly heats the water to the desired temperature. As a result, tankless water heaters provide hot water on demand without the limitations of a storage tank. Heat pump water heaters use electricity to move heat from the air or ground to heat the water. Instead of directly generating heat, they work similar to a refrigerator but in reverse. Heat from the ambient air or ground is extracted and transferred to the water, making it a highly efficient option for heating water. In conclusion, water heaters are essential for providing hot water in our homes and buildings. Understanding the different types and how they work can help you choose the most suitable option for your needs. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the basics of how a water heater works.